Hello guys, this is Jaimal Singh Bagri and we are talking to you about Indian history, new research of Akbar. Akbar's Rajput wife was Harka, not Jodhabai. But chronicles say nothing about love. So they want to say कि अकबर वाइफ्स अकबर अकबर्स राजपूत वाइफ्स नॉट्स जोधाबाई reals Harka. This want to say research. In Akbar of Hindustan, Parvati Sharma, new writers Parvati Sharma, Akbar of Hindustan, writes that fact of Rajput bride entering the Mughal dynasty remarkable, perhaps only retrospect. So I was en route to Ajmer that Akbar meet Raja Bihari Mal Kachwaha again. 5 years had passed since the Rajputs' brave swing at Akbar's court and the Raja fortunes had declined in the interim. For all that Bihari Mal may have impressed Akbar, it was rival of his called Suza, who had managed an alliance with Akbar's brother-in-law Shafruddin, who governed this area independently as Adham had hoped to rule Malwa Sujamal. Therefore occupied the Kachwaha throne while Bihari Mal had taken refuge in the folds of the hills, forced to pay Suja tribute and let him keep his son hostage. At the moment, therefore, the Raja situation was by no means invaluable, as a modern historian writes, but improved rather unexpectedly. Seeing that Akbar was travelling through his land and remembering perhaps the Padshah friendliness from some years ago, Raja Bihari Mal sent a message asking for audience. And Akbar agreed. Not only that, a few days later, when Akbar and Rajput king meet near Bihari Mal's capital Amber, Akbar also agreed to give him back his hostage and his throne and to marry his daughter. It doesn't seem to have taken much for the Raja to bring Akbar to his side. Abul Fazl implies that the Padshah made up his mind when he saw how people failed at this advance through Rajasthan. We have no other intention than to do good to all mankind, he had said in dismay. What can we reason of the fight? Those people clearly continued. They were reacting to the impression they have undergone. Shafruddin liked to extract evidence through fear. This was not Akbar's way. Also read, sometime between his globe to Malwa and meeting in Amber, Akbar had also ridden a short distance east toward Ali Kuli Simbani in Chaunpur. And all his unsettled dues, Ali Kuli, cleverer than Adam, had hurried to meet Akbar on his way and handed over substantial bounty. Ajmer was Akbar's third excursion into Commander Fifth in 9 months, 5 and 9 months, and it's possible that the restoration of Bihari Mal and the marriage to his daughter was another sharp signal to his sector. Warlords, not only the richest of his realm, but also the decision about its rule were Akbar and Akbar's alone. The chronicles do not underscore fact Akbar marriage with Duramals, Awal Fazal, Baduni, Nizamuddin merely describe a ruler adding another honorability to this his harm. Perhaps that fact of Rajput bride entering the Mughal dynasty Mughal dynasty, Mughal dynasty is remarkable on retrospect. Akbar himself was not over self-conscious about it. The match settled. He rode off Ajmer and visited the shrine he had set out to see. On his return, he stopped for De Sambhar, where Raja Bihari Mal arranged a wedding in most admirable manner, then making sure that Safruddin kept Akbar's promises to the Rajput king. The Padshah returned to Agra, galloping some 3,000 kilometers in less than their days. In fascinating essay on the evolution of Rajput loyalties to the Mughal state, Norman P. Ziegler notes the critical market of Rajput dynasty was his saga, those to whom he gave his daughter and or from whom received wives in marriage, as was the case across the world until very recently a marriage was not just woven an agreement between two people but an alliance between families and clans. Even nation thus writes Ziegler the terms in Marwari, Western Rajasthan for both Better Thal and Alliance Sagai, derivative of Saga. So Ziegler goes on the note of the Rajput custom of Salakatari, by which Rajput would expect gift of land from his sister husband. This tradition applied across religion. Ziegler offers example of the 15th century in which two sections Jodhpur acquired land by marrying the sister of Muslim rulers or Nagpur. Whatever it was framed terms Salakatari or not, Akbar's marriage to Kachwa princess did ensure that it was her father Bihari Mal who retained this land and not his rival Suza, who had from a less rewarding alliance with Shafruddin. So this paragraph also read, and what a meanwhile Bihari Mal daughters with whom Akbar returned Agra February 1562, often misdefined as Jodhabai when her name was Harka. That princess is also frequently miscast as the great love Akbar life. It is likely that Harka and her husband had much to talk to about. They were both intelligent, ambitious people. Indeed, Harka doesn't exist only Akbar bride in history. She is known for her formidable trading business too. It is also likely that she was great influence on Akbar along with several other Rajput princes the Padshah would marry, that she shared his thoughts on religion policy. Even died. Baduni complains that Akbar Rajput wives made him give up onion and garlic, and of course Harka gave Akbar his first son Avenger. But chronicles say nothing about love. It is not necessary course for emperor. I love a wife, but there is sometimes stark about Arthur Lake's decommunicated romance. Akbar life, especially given the amorous tendency his density, it was doesn't Humayun who feel madly in love with Hamida, but Babur with Babri, Jahangir with Nurjahan, Shahjahan with Mumtaz, even allegedly Aztec Aurangzeb with dancing girl called Hirabai, from whom strict believer was willing down to goblet wine. All that the records contain Akbar feelings for his wife's lament by the emperor himself. Had I been wise yearly, he once said, I would have taken two women from my own kingdom into my Sargolic, for my subjects are to me the priest children. There is a difference sentiments whatever intend it not same sadness feels say painting with feathers. Rahim, the young man whose poison overflowed upon the back toast or stone for elephant 19 years old thousand with God could not allow would not allow himself daily while love arms. Okay. There is no account then Akbar feeling gently daughter Ambir, not vice versa, but intense rewarding the often tempestuous relationship with her less than gentle king spill over the pages. Best to know this new allies are Princess brothers Bhagwant Das and his son Man Singh, both of whom accompanied her car to Agra within months. Bhagwant Das was riding into battle by Akbar's side. Man Singh, 11 years old at times, was given different kind of command and put in charge little Abdur Rahim. Such was a bond seems that developed between Man Singh and boy. Both grew up become Akbar trusted conqueror in arms that Abdur Rahim children would call Man Singh Dadaji grandfather. Akbar had not just brought home the mother of eventual heir, had also planted seed for profound transformation, the very nature is code. So Akbar Hindustani written by book Parvati Sharma, and this expert Akbar of Hindustani by Parvati Sharma has been published permission of Jagran books, are new books. So please read, you have to read this book and get to new history Indian. Okay, thank you.